A Tampa woman and her daughter were thrust into crisis when driving rains caved in the roof of their home, causing an electrical short and forcing them to sleep in their car. Recognizing the urgency of the situation, representatives from the City of Tampa Housing and Community Development Department and the Job Order Contracting Coordinator sprang into action.
I just happened to be at City of Tampa for a meeting, and Katrina House was the jock manager at the time, and I saw her really upset. She says, look, I don't know what to do. The house is, these people are out. They had to sleep in their car last night, and I'm not even sure what they're gonna do. And I'm like, well, give it to us. We'll be out there tomorrow morning.
The City of Tampa supports roughly 90 to 110 homes per year to be repaired. We do lead-based paint testing, we do radon testing, and then we go in, we repair their roofs, HVACs, stuff to keep the house up to code. And we're using the JOB program to secure contractors.
An alternative construction project delivery method, Job Order Contracting, or JOC, enables organizations to complete many projects with a single competitively awarded contract. This unique approach accelerates the procurement cycle, allowing contractors to get on site and begin work fast.
We had this need to assist with all these housing projects. It just was a great fit. We are able to come in, get jobs done relatively quickly without having to go through another formal solicitation process because we've already done that. All of our contracts have been competitively solicited. And so we already have everything in place that we need to just start the project and get it done and then move on to the next.
The contractor, also construction, he mobilized, so he targeted the entire house. And because he was able to pull that permit the same day, next day he re-roofed the house and fix some of the damage.
We saw a need and I want to help, so we had started at 7 in the morning. We had the roof dried in the next day.
The rapid response allowed the displaced homeowner to return to safety in a matter of days. In addition to re-roofing the home, Austin Construction installed a new HVAC system, removed and replaced drywall, re-insulated the attic, repaired an exterior wall, and installed new kitchen cabinets and smoke detectors. All involved credit the success of this $100,000 project to teamwork.
The thing that makes our JOB program so successful is the partnerships. Working with Gordian and Austin Construction has been a heaven sent. Our representative with Gordian is an amazing person who understands construction, who understands building envelopes, who understands how to assist these homeowners so we can identify what needs to be addressed.
I'm the liaison between the client and the contractor, right? But I do more than that for them because I understand they don't have the personnel to cover a lot of ground, and I understand the value for them, and I think they really appreciate that.
Austin Construction has been just a fantastic partner to work with. It doesn't matter what project you bring them. They have the expertise, they have that professionalism, and they will find a way to get it done. So it's been fantastic. They're great partners.
I enjoy helping people out. It's not all about the money. You get a reputation and you kind of keep the same clients for life.
This emergency roof repair exemplifies the power of JOC, earning the project a 2024 Award of Merit in Job Order Contracting. The profound impact of the work will be remembered for years to come.
But we give them a house that they can be proud of again. We allow them to remain in their homes. We're uplifting the entire neighborhood. The most proud thing that I can say is after we're done, they come back and they always say, Marquez, you all have made me whole again. And that allows me to sleep well at night because I know I make a difference in at least 100 and some people's lives every year. And that, to me, that's the most important thing.
To see how Gordian's Job Order Contracting can help you accelerate the projects that matter most to your community, visit our dedicated landing page.